What's up, guys? Jon from JonMcNeil.com here, and today we're actually going to be talking about building a buyer's list for free. Now, guys, if you've been doing affiliate marketing for any length of time, you may have heard that the money is in the list, right? And that's very true. But the biggest asset that an affiliate marketer can have is an actual buyer's list. Why? Because these people have already been proven to buy. And you guys may have heard the phrase, a buyer's a buyer's a buyer's a buyer. So if these people have bought from you once, they're likely to buy from you again and again and again, as long as you're offering some value and selling high quality products. So the problem is that if you are brand new or you're a novice, the only way to really build a buyer's list is to actually have your own product and actually generate a buyer's list for yourself, right? You can't really build a buyer's list as an affiliate. But in this video here, I'm actually going to show you how you can actually go ahead and do that, build a buyer's list. And I'm going to show you how you can do it absolutely free, right? So let's go ahead and jump into this video. We're starting right now. All right, guys, Jon from JonMcNeil.com here, and today we're actually going to be teaching you how you can actually build a buyer's list for absolutely free. Now, what a lot of affiliate marketers are doing to actually generate affiliate marketing commissions online for free is they're utilizing YouTube, right? So what they're doing is they're going and they're picking products, and they are basically doing reviews, and then they're trying to sell these products. So a lot of affiliate marketers, what they do is, for instance, I typed in ClickBank University review and bonus, right? So I can click on like one of these videos here, and I can go down into the description link and I could see this ClickBank hop link, right? So this hop link is going to take me to ClickBank University. So he's doing a review and he's saying, hey, I'm going to give you a bonus, and here's the link to get ClickBank University. So this is cool. This works. I mean, I do this all the time as well. Here's the thing. When he makes this sale for ClickBank, which is great, he's going to make that commission. But the problem is he doesn't get that buyer onto his list. That buyer actually goes onto the ClickBank University's list, the product owner's list. And now they have the buyer. So whoever bought that product is likely going to be buying upsells and future products by that vendor that's actually, created that list. So they're going to be promoting other things throughout, the time frame of, them promoting products, and they're going to make more money. And this guy that had promoted it initially, he loses the buyer, right? But what if there was a way that he could get the buyer onto his list, right? So here's, something that I just kind of like learned the other day. So what you can do is the same method. You can still, create videos with YouTube, and you can push people to your affiliate marketing products, right? But when you offer your bonuses, instead of just like sending them the bonus via email or just having them download it or something like that, have them actually opt in to a page to receive the bonuses. So for instance, they buy the product and then they say, hey, I bought the product, send me my bonus. Okay, well, you send them a link in which they can opt in with their name and email address, or just their email address, and to receive like a bonus page. You can actually set this up in like ClickFunnels or OptimizePress or your website, however you want to set it up. But you actually have the people opt in to the actual bonus page, so then they can kind of just go through their bonuses and access their bonuses once they've opted in. So now you have you're creating that buyer's list, right? You're creating that buyer's list because that person has bought, and then when they get their bonuses, you make them opt in. So you've essentially still spent no money because you generated the affiliate commission via YouTube, but they're still on your list now as a buyer. They're a buyer, so you can probably make future sales from them. The other thing is some of these networks are actually making it much easier to do this. So if you look at JVZoo, I can just click on pretty much any product in here, And so once I'm in this one affiliate product, and what they're allowing affiliates to do now is you can just basically add a bonus. So if you wanted to promote this product, you would have to request, permission to do so. But then you can also put like a bonus name, and then you can put a bonus URL. So as soon as that person buys the product, so say for instance you have your Jon McNeil bonus, and then I have my bonus URL, which could be a page to my blog or any page that I set up through ClickFunnels, Optimize Press. When that person purchases this product, they'll automatically get sent the bonus, and then you send them to like a squeeze page where they opt in to get it. So now you can still market this product through your YouTube or through your social media, through forums, however you want to do it for free. But you're also going to get them to opt in to receive their bonus, thus building you a buyer's list. So you can do this with JVZoo, you can do this with Warrior Plus. I'm not sure about ClickBank, I have to check that, but this is an awesome way to actually start building a buyer's list, for free. So this is all I have for today. This is Jon from JonMcNeil.com. Make sure you guys subscribe to the channel and leave me a comment below. Let me know if this method is something that you guys plan on trying. And also, you got to try out my free marketing system. It'll be in the link in the description below, the first link, and it's going to show you how you can actually start an affiliate marketing business absolutely free, and you guys are going to love it. So I'll see you guys in the next one.